Hello everyone and welcome to this brand new YouTube video. Today we're going to be talking about something very important for every photographer, which is shutter speed. Shutter speed is one of the three basic controls on a camera that everyone needs to know to be able to operate a camera. In today's video, I'm going to give you a very fast overview of what shutter speed is. Make sure you subscribe down below because I'm bringing you guys these videos every week. Now let's set the stopwatch to 0 and I'm going to give you an explanation of shutter speed in 90 seconds. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Imagine the camera shutter like a curtain in front of the camera sensor. Now this curtain opens and closes to let light in. The shutter speed is the time for which the shutter opens and closes. That means it controls the amount of light that gets in. Now shutter speed is measured in fractions of a second. That's why you'll see it as 1 by something on the camera menu. Now a slow shutter speed is 1 by 2, which means the shutter is going to be open for only half a second. But a fast shutter speed is 1 by 2000, which means the shutter is going to be open for 1/2000th of a second. That's fast. Fast shutter speed means that it's going to freeze that action in that moment, but it also lets very little light in. So make sure you have ample amount of light for you to photograph in high shutter speed. Slow shutter speed like 1 by 2 is very useful in low light situations. It lets a lot of light in and it's usually used to photograph something in passing like clouds moving or water flowing. Slow shutter is also used to their extremes when the shutter is open for minutes when you want to photograph the night sky and get all the stars in it. In simple terms, shutter speed is the setting that determines how long your shutter stays open to take a picture. Now a faster shutter speed is going to give you less light but more motion frozen. Slower shutter speed is going to give you more light but less motion frozen. That's kind of it, and that's time. Now that was in 90 seconds, so I definitely want you to like this video right now. Go like it, and if you have any questions regarding shutter speed, make sure to write them down in the comments and I will definitely answer them. Even if I don't know them, I'll research them and answer them. Don't worry about it. So I hope you guys like this video. I'm going to meet you next Sunday with another video. Make sure you hit the notification button so you don't miss it. See you next Sunday. 3, 2, 1. So in simple terms, faster shutter speed, more light frozen. More light frozen. So make sure you go down and hit the subscribe. Shutter speed is the amount of time for which the light gets in. What the fuck am I saying? When you see it on the menu, you'll see it as 1 by something. So a slow shutter speed is slow. So I don't really know if anyone watches my videos till the end, so I'm just adding this video in the end while the videos come up to subscribe and whatnot. So if you are watching, arigatou gozaimasu, much love to you, and comment egg down in the comment section so I know who's watching. I look like a psycho, bro.